Hey, I'm on my way to Nullcon, and this is the first time vlogging in a long time. I feel super awkward. I mean, I felt awkward the last few times I've vlogged. I haven't done this a lot on the channel, so that's why I went into this park, which is very close by to the conference. I thought about vlogging in the city at first on my way, but no, couldn't do it. But here, nobody's around. There's like this one guy with this dog in the background who I feel weird about, but otherwise I'm alone, so yeah. Okay, anyway, you're not here to listen to my awkwardness. I'm on my way to the conference, so let's head there.
Hi everyone, welcome to Nullcon Berlin. It's our first edition and we have something really cool for everybody to go green. If you use a public transport, train, bus, bicycle, or even come walking to the venue, or if you come to the country, we would give you something really cool.
Actually, that just reminds me, I did come with public transport.
Yes, you will get one.
I need to show my ticket,
yes.
I guess.
Just outside.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy to meet like LiveOverflow because I learned so much from him and I want to say hi to all his Italian fans. So ciao ragazzi.
When I asked you to talk about it, I didn't mean to compliment me. Like, do you have anything?
I mean I learned so much from him because I just started with your videos and then I started playing CTFs. So yeah, that's all.
Okay, I'm here with Smori, and Smori has a card game he wanted to show off.
And this is a card game we built in Schilder, which is my company. And this card game, it's built on top of this traditional Italian game, which is called Briscola. And basically in Briscola, you can play with buddies, and it's kind of the typical game you usually play with your parents or with your friends, like during, I don't know, Christmas time or whatever. And we created this deck, which is hacker powered, so you can find some references about hacking culture. For example, this seed is about injection, so you can see this horse jumping around a firewall, basically. In the end, we chose to publish it and to start selling it to donate all the profits to Informatici Senza Frontiere, which is informatics without borders. It's like medical without borders, but for informatics in Italy. So they try to fight against the digital divide, mainly about the pandemic, but not just about the pandemic. I mean, they are out there, like, I don't know, in the last 10 years. So it's quite a structured project. They are on an NG, so they are not making any profit out of this thing, and we are donating all the gross profits to them. So that's it.
Yeah, so thank you very much. As you heard, it's a card game, and the profits go to a good cause. So yeah, check it out. Of course, I will link it, of course, also below. Yes.
BitK.
Is this the funnest main quest from Cuba?
I saw you being on a panel about bug bunnies today, right? Was there anything us bug bunny people should hear or know?
I mean, he just has a lot of complaining to do.
Shit, yes. So it's like
You can plug your channel now.
What's up, guys? If you want to follow Bug Bunny content on YouTube, go check out Hacksplained and do it now, and subscribe and like.
are you Hacksplained?
Yes.
Now you.
If you want to watch hacking content on YouTube, be sure to subscribe to Pink Draconian and, well, enjoy the videos.
Can you point the camera on me? So there's footage of me.
I just made
Okay.
footage of
Nice.
Is it recording? Yes.
Yeah, it's recording. But I also don't know what I would do.
I'll make some shots.
Let's stop.
Ja, oder umgekehrt, wahrscheinlich besser.
Dann ist das irgendwie so.
He's good at dancing. Like, it's his actual hobby. You want to plug your channel?
Plug my channel again. I am Pink Draconian. Follow me, subscribe, watch my videos.
After I was fed up with
This is why it's so important that you have to do it.
And then I had, so if anytime I want to do that,
This is like German diplomatic.
Okay, second day, let's go.
When I got that, I was thinking, yeah, I'm nobody in my Docker and I want to read some data. And the challenge is about that, and this is getting interesting. So let's try to find a way to steal the password without being able to modify anything on the Docker.
I am not so.
That might be the driving factor.
Okay, so I'm here with Yaman, and he also played the CTF a little bit, and he just gives us a quick walkthrough of one of the challenges.
So in this task, we are basically given a C file. So basically, the way I started to solve this challenge was like, I quickly skimmed through the source code. I looked at like if something stood out, like it's a crypto problem. So most of the times, like you have to go out of the protocol to have it exploitable. So the first thing I saw was like, it was basically doing a RSA signature, something like that. And it had the exponent of 3, which is like never a good idea because it opens so much attacks like Coppersmith attack and whatever.
Okay, well, he explained the solution to me, but it turned out it was a bit too long and too complicated for a quick conference video. So I linked the write-up and the link to the challenge below. So check it out if you are interested. Long story short, you can create a signature with the null byte in it, and the string compare then fails to properly compare the resulting signature.
And it does do str compare, which is like vulnerable for many reasons. Like if you have null byte, when we run this, we see that this is the challenge that we have to sign. It's in hex, and this is the perfect cube that includes the challenge sentence, the challenge words. That is a perfect cube. Yeah, we just send it, and we get the flag. That's basically it.
Well done.
and because the CSS is so
How's it going? Very great. I had a lot of fun.
Yeah. So just then, you know, a lot of people, and especially Null and Nullcon, I basically got my first security meetup at Null community meetups, and one of the first conferences I attended was Nullcon. So all of this came because Nullcon was there. So thank you.
How do you secure, what do you plan to secure the attend people as this attack surface?
So we had multiple sub-events at the conference. We had, I think, 4 CTFs, sorry. One HackIM, one is Winjar, one is by the Google guys as well, and one is the Firmware Village. So we had 4 CTFs.
So please, for the winner of the 2022 Nullcon Berlin on-site CTF, please join us, Team Mango, with 10.5 souls. Anyways, you probably all noticed that there's one prize still missing on here that you might have seen before. And as you see, there's some people here who played the team. There's some people who played all on their own. So we thought, what's the best way of giving this, to be honest, the best prize of all? The lightsaber goes to, yeah, drum roll. Oh, the place number 1, Mango as well.
When I was talking to Mario when I decided let's do Nullcon Berlin, and he did mention that when he spoke around, there was an emotional feeling within the Berlin community that they would like to have Nullcon in Europe. So thank you so much, everybody. See you in Goa. now is the time you all can give me feedback. Thank you.